This video is to help you with slide 4 of the Summative Earth's Changing Climate Criterion A. This is slide 4. There are 3 questions that you need to answer. The questions are, what trend do you see on the global temperature of the Earth through the years? And then what trend do you see on the levels of carbon dioxide or CO2 through the years? And then how is human activity connected to this? So you are practicing your analysis, your analytical skills. You are doing analysis by reading this graph. And this graph has 2 colors. It has blue for global temperatures and then red for the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. And you will see that at the bottom are the years starting at 1880, all the way to about, I'd say 2017. All right, not at 2020 yet. And then on the left side, you will see concentration of carbon dioxide parts per million. And on the right side is global average temperature. So you will see that the blue lines are going up and down, up and down, up and down, right? But what I'm asking for is the trend. If you look at it, as the up and down of the blue line happens, is it basically going up or is it basically going down, right? So think of it as like a slinky, right? Is the slope going upwards or is it going down, right? So that's what you need to answer for the first one. And because that's the global temperature, right? That's the average global temperature through the years for the last 127 years. All right, 127 years. All right. So as the years go by, is the global temperature going up or going down? Is it rising? Is it increasing or decreasing? Is it getting hotter? Is it getting cooler? Answer that question. And then for the next question, which is what trend do you see the levels of carbon dioxide through the years? That's the red. Right, so scientists are able to, using satellites, using all of these instruments, they can measure the amount of carbon dioxide gases in the atmosphere. And so that's the red line. After all of these things, after all of their measurements, they put it into a data table and then they create this graph. And so I want you to look at the red line and tell me what trend do you see on the levels of the carbon dioxide through the years? Are the levels increasing or is it decreasing? Okay, so answer that question. And then the last one is, how is human activity connected to this? Or is human activity connected to the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, which scientists have correlated that the amount of carbon dioxide has something to do with the global temperature, right? And we've talked about how greenhouse gases, carbon dioxide is one of the greenhouse gases, has the ability to trap heat. Greenhouse gas, the greenhouse effect is a natural thing. We like it as humans. It keeps our earth warm. But now there are more greenhouse gases that's happening, and that is causing the global temperature to rise. So how is human activity connected to that? So those are the 3 questions. If you still need help, you may use the class Jamboard. All right, the class Jamboard has frame 1, and we've worked on this, right? Read through your classmates' answers so that you can answer it on your own and type your answer into the blue box. So that's slide 4.